In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off OneDrive on this day memories notifications. If you use OneDrive on your computer, you may have noticed occasional reminders that show you photos or memories from previous years. For some people, that feature is fun and helpful. But if you prefer a quieter experience and want fewer pop-up notifications, you can easily disable that setting in just a moment. I'll walk you through exactly where to find it so you can turn it off without changing anything else in your OneDrive setup. To begin, look at the taskbar on your computer and find the OneDrive cloud icon. This is usually located near the clock in the bottom right corner of the screen. If you don't see it right away, you may need to click the small arrow that shows hidden icons. Once you find the OneDrive cloud icon, click on it to open the OneDrive menu. When that panel appears, look for the gear-shaped settings icon, click the gear icon, and then choose settings from the menu that opens. This will take you into the main OneDrive settings window where you can manage different preferences for syncing, backups, account behavior, and notifications. Next, move to the left-hand side of the settings window and select the notifications tab. This section controls the types of alerts and messages OneDrive is allowed to show. It's the area you'll want whenever you need to reduce distractions or customize how OneDrive communicates with you. Inside the notifications section, look for the option that says Notify Me when on this day memories are available. Once you find it, turn that option off. Usually this means clicking the checkbox or toggle next to it so it is no longer enabled. After you disable that setting, the change takes effect right away. You don't need to restart your computer or sign out of OneDrive. From this point on, OneDrive will stop showing those on this day memory notifications while the rest of your file syncing and storage features will continue working normally. And that's it. It's a very quick adjustment, but it can make your desktop feel a lot less cluttered if you'd rather not receive memory reminders. If you ever change your mind later, you can return to the same notification section and turn the feature back on.